Hello everyone! Today I have the perfect summer recipe for you. It's an upside down blueberry cake with white chocolate. It is easy, it is quick, it is delicious. So I really hope you enjoy the recipe, and if you like it, please follow for more. Happy baking! Let's get right into it. So we have everything in front of us. So we'll start with 3 eggs. This is a simple cake recipe, like it doesn't have to be complicated to be impressive, but it will be an amazing cake anyway. And everyone will be super impressed when you have a dinner party or a tea party. We beat the eggs. We're using 3 eggs for this recipe. We need to get some air in the eggs, so we're gonna be beating the eggs for about 2 minutes. Alright, now we're adding sugar. It's gonna be 150 grams of sugar. Don't worry, the recipe will be in the captions. And we whisk and incorporate the sugar with the eggs. Make sure to whisk thoroughly so you don't get a granulated cake, so you don't feel the texture of the sugar. So whisk, whisk, whisk. I don't know if you guys have seen Desperate Housewives, but my aim is to be Brie. I think I turned more of a Susan anyway at the end of the day. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You see, it's getting light and fluffy. You can do this with a stand-alone mixer. It will take less time, but then you won't get to enjoy the process. Although if you are doing many things, I suggest a stand-alone mixer or an electric whisker. Beautiful. Now we add 100 grams of butter. It can be olive oil as well, that works just as fine, or avocado oil if you want. I didn't melt it before, but if you are using a KitchenAid, you don't need to melt the butter. You can just incorporate it slowly. It will just take more time now. Beautiful. Now we're adding some vanilla. You can add vanilla extract, but I only have vanilla sugar because it is extremely hard to get vanilla extract where we live. And yeah, but it does just the same. I'm using 2 packs for this one. And as I said, don't worry, the recipe will be in the captions. I only learned how to bake recently, and turns out I love it. I never thought I would be a baker. When did you start to bake? You can leave it down in the comments. Beautiful. Now we are going to add 100 milliliters of milk. Beautiful. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget to preheat the oven. That is important at 180 degrees Celsius. I cannot count in eagles. Now I'm going to save a quarter of a teaspoon for the white chocolate that we are incorporating. And this is flour, by the way, just so the white chocolate doesn't sink at the bottom, so it's gonna be all throughout. It's just like a pro tip. Now we are adding the flour. I did save this earlier, don't worry. Although it'll be fine if you don't, I promise. So, I have already lined the tin with parchment paper. So I'm mixing the flour into the white chocolate. Nearly forgot. Oh, don't want to lose the chocolate. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Now we fold the chocolate into the cake. Mix the cake mix. Beautiful. Now, I have already lined the cake tin with parchment paper. So what I am going to do is, I have the blueberries in the back in the hob, and what I'm going to do is just take 1 tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar, just white caster sugar, and just line the bottom of the pan. So this is going to be an upside down cake, right? So we just want it nice and caramelized at the bottom, or what's going to be the top. And I am using frozen blueberries for this recipe. So I did warm them up in the stovetop just a tiny bit, just to reduce them a bit. You don't want to overcook them or anything. We're not looking for jam. Yep, 2 tablespoons should do it. Now we take the blueberries. Maybe I will use this. So we have the blueberries and the juice. Beautiful. This is going to be wonderful. It already smells nice, and I haven't even started baking. Just form. A nice even layer at the bottom. I will show you in a minute. Oh, nearly lost the blueberry. Beautiful. So we have everything at the bottom, the caster sugar and the blueberry. And now the cake mix is ready. And slowly pour the batter into the tray. The white chocolate, don't worry, it's not flour. Beautiful. Oh. Turn it around so I see what I'm doing. Voila! So this is the cake ready. Now I'm gonna pop it in the oven for 45 minutes and I'll be right back. And our cake is ready, and I flipped it upside down. It was in the oven for 45 minutes. And now I'm going to remove the parchment paper. This is the most exciting part. Wish me luck. Wow. Oh. Beautiful. It's lacking in the middle, but no worries, nothing a bit of icing cannot fix. Now we're gonna do some icing. I have some powdered sugar in a bowl, and we just start to incorporate milk, just 1 tablespoon at a time, and then mix and add more as needed. You won't need a lot of milk. It's about 30 grams of powdered sugar in here. And that's all you needed. If you are doing a lemon and blueberry cake, then I would put some lemon juice in the icing instead of the milk. But since today we are not doing a lemon and blueberry cake, this is milk instead. No? There you go, folks. 1 upside down blueberry cake. Oh, this is the exciting part. Oh my God, this is wonderful. Look at that. Nice. Oh my God, guys, the blueberry cake is done, and this looks and smells amazing. The house, I can't even describe it, what it smells like. Amazing. This might be my best blueberry cake yet. Honestly, just try it and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you want more videos, just like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.